Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to log out of Lords Mobile. If you want to log out of the Lords Mobile game, first of all launch open Lords Mobile on your device and from the home page, click on the gear button at the bottom right corner. After you open up this menu, go ahead and click on the account button. Inside account settings, click on the Logout button appearing on the screen. Confirm the logout by clicking confirm once again, and then you will be able to log out of your current account on Lords Mobile. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.